In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic moving graph using Canva, a fantastic tool for all your visual and design needs. Whether you're putting together a presentation or crafting compelling visuals for a report, this guide will help you bring static data to life. First, let's start by opening up your Canva project. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and navigate to the project where you'd like to create your moving graph. This could be any existing project or a new design you wish to create from scratch. Now that you're in your project, let's dive into creating a moving bar graph. For our example, we'll be using a simple bar graph to demonstrate the technique. Once your basic bar graph is inserted into the project, it's time to add a little magic. Insert a rectangle shape and ensure it's colored white, matching the background so it seamlessly blends in. This rectangle will act as a cover, hiding the initial bar graph to create that dynamic reveal effect. Align the rectangle to fully cover the bar labeled Item 1 or whichever component you'd like to animate. This is the key to setting up a visually interesting animation. Next, with the rectangle shape selected, look for the Animate option in the top menu bar. Click on this option to start bringing your graph to life. You'll see various animation choices appear. What we're aiming to do here is to create a bespoke animation, so select Create an Animation. This tool will allow you to determine how and where you want the rectangle shape to move. Now you'll be prompted to drag the shape to its desired endpoint. This will form the path of the animation. To create a moving bar graph effect, move the rectangle upwards. This action will reveal the true bar graph hidden beneath. By holding down the Shift key as you drag, your movement will be constrained, ensuring the line remains straight, which makes for a much cleaner and more professional animation. After setting up the animation path, don't forget to preview your work. Click on the Preview button to see how the animation plays out. If it doesn't look quite right, feel free to adjust the movement path of the rectangle and try again until you're satisfied with how it brings your graph to life. Once you're happy with the outcome, you can sit back and appreciate the dynamic element you've just added to your project. Moving graphs are an impactful way to present data and will likely impress anyone who views your work. And there you have it, your very own animated bar graph created with Canva. I hope this guide was helpful, and I encourage you to keep experimenting with Canva's many features to spice up your visual presentations. Happy designing!